Hello friends, welcome to CSS tutorial. In this video, we will look into list style position, and here we will see how to change the list items indent. We know that list item indents from main document. So by default, there will be a indent for the list item if this is your main document, and when you place the list item, automatically it will indent from a specific location. So that's what here we are talking. So in the left side, you see, if you see there is some gap, right? We call this as a indent, and list item indents from the main document. When the list item goes in more than one line, list item indent property comes in handy. So here we are talking about there is a bullet and the item that get displayed in a single line. If there is a list item that spans in a multiple line, that time we may use the list item indent property. There are two values accepted here. One is inside and another one is outside. So this one tells how the bullet should appear when list item displays. Here if you see, list item is completely outside the multiple lines, right? Inside means list item will, this dot or bullet will come inside the paragraph or inside the multi-line spanning list item. So let's go to the demo and see this clearly. So here is our empty document, list style position, and if you see in the body, we created an unordered list. Right, unordered list means this time it will produce the bullets, and there is a list item, and you can see each list item is spanning in multiple lines, right? Likewise, we have 4 list items. First, we will save the content, and if you see, since each list item is spanning in multiple lines, and by default the bullets appears outside, and all the list item is aligned here, right? So by default we have the outside style. All right, now we will create the style for UL, and whatever style we apply to UL get inherited to all the list items. So inside the head we will define the style. So style type is CSS. So here if you see, we are defining the UL style. So the selector is UL and style, font size X large, and list style position is outside. So that means it's the same like what you are seeing in the right side browser. Only stuff is font is changed. So by default it's outside. Now let's check that by saving the content. So you can see that now, right? The bullet point comes outside the alignment of the actual list item. Now instead of outside, we will go with inside style. And if you see now, the bullet is aligning with the list item, and there is a slight indent here. After the bulleted point, there is an indent. So that's how this time the list item is presented, right? So that's all about the list style position CSS rule. Thank you for watching. Bye.